Today, for intraday trading, I have selected FSL, Financial Services Limited. It is a private sector stock and basically deal with finance related services. So we will discuss region analysis and the result which is not yet delivered by the market and the learning lesson that we have learned today. So starting with first module, very first reason that I always look in any stock before going to place or trade in that stock is its dominant pressure. Dominant pressure in FSL is, you can clearly see, it is buying. So stock is creating higher highs and higher lows. So this means buyers are controlling the price of FSL as of now. And second reason here, I got that this stock is facing pressure, selling pressure, or the supply is coming around 179, and that has been tested and retested multiple times over here. You can clearly see this buildup was created yesterday, and this indicates that there were either new positions were made or profit booking was happening over there. So these two things could happen. So exactly what happened, how can we confirm that? So that is confirmed at the end of this fight, and this fight resulted the direction of the stock in the downward. So in second half, stock was trading a bit in lower zone. So first time tested, second, and build up is also created a kind of triple bottom, and a nice and lengthy build up was already present above this triple. Sorry, not triple bottom. It is triple top. So sentiment was shifting from buying to selling. So first reason is buying is its dominant pressure. Second reason is showing us that shifting of momentum from buying towards selling. So why this is coming? This is because of profit booking that is coming in this stock around this level. So price may move in downward directions, or you can say that it will be a retracement. After that, it may restart its new upward journey. So two regions we have got. First, dominating prefer is buying. Second is the shifting of momentum from buying to selling, and along with the shifting of momentum from buying to selling, so we should expect a buy trade in this stock. So in the morning today, what happened? Stock opened below, and a nice shooting star was formed. After that, a follow through red long red candle is formed, and price was started trading in a range. This range around 9 from 925 till here, and this resulted in again continuation of its recent momentum shifting journey. So that is downward. Two signals in are aligned with each other. That is second signal that was shifting a momentum from buying to selling, and third signal is the bearish sentiment in the market. So you don't believe that I am waiting for the breaking of this level from the morning. When yeah, from the morning I actually was breaking this level, but stock was started trading and around this level. So started waiting for when this stock will break and go and come down, and we will see what will happen next. As soon as this level will be broken, I can expect the fall of this stock till 173, and that will be my target. So I am waiting for its retest and then I will enter in this stock. But again, I am looking for a short trade in this stock, and looking around the market or looking after the market. Bearish sentiment is dominating in the market as of now. Going for a short trade is a very good approach to trade market today. Let's see what happened. And the learning lesson that I have learned here is that the patience is the most demanding skill in this market. Many of the stocks that have already given a trade in for many traders, but for me, I have my eyes on this stock from the morning and still waiting for my setup. But that is still in transition phase. Some part it has been delivered and some the final part is still in waiting. So as soon as this level is broken, I will make my position. I will open my position in short trade, and then we will then I will look for a profit booking around 173.50, and we will see what happened with this market. So this is all about today's trade plan. Till now, I have not entered in any stock. Let us see. This is also because of market is trading in a range. So this is a sideways market. If trade will not come, then I will also not take trade. But this is the factor. No, so I think the trade has come. My stock, my order has been executed. Yes, it was on 175.25. So congrats to me. I have entered in this stock as of now. So let's enjoy the journey, and let the market will decide what market has decided to give me today. So let's wait. Thank you guys. Keep watching, keep trading, keep supporting, and most important, keep learning. And that is the most important thing that will keep you in the market for longer time. Thank you. Bye.